Ray John, we see you coming out. You can egress. Coming out. Ready, Drew? I'm ready, John. Let's go do this. Oh, this is fantastic. You're going to love it, Drew. Looks nice. A102, actuator EVA. Go and get the W-type latches on the way. Roger. Clear, Megan.
Heavy descent.
Okay. I've relocated the tip pin mast. And Megan, if you'd come down first, this bill, please. Too.
No, you bet, and we'll back you up on all that.
Happy to have you at my back, Dan. I appreciate it.
Conduct a few minutes of some translation adaptation since this is his first ever spacewalk.
RMS tether installed and tight on the back end handrail stand.